The first subtopic under integration is standard integral form. It's like a normal under differentiation normal question. Look at the question number 1. Question A, you are having integration s raised to power 7 plus 1 ds. Look at the question. I've told you the opposite of the differentiation is what? Integration. And integration is very simple because the reversal form of differentiation is integration. How do we solve this? Remember, this is ds. In integration, whatever power they give you, you are going to do what? You are going to add 1 back because we have subtracted 1 from it before. This will become integral s7 ds plus integral 1 ds, and there is one constant we normally leave before in differentiation. You know, when we have y equal to 2s 2 2s raised to power 2 plus 5. You know, when we differentiate this, the y ds, it will become 4s, and this one, the y ds of this 5 is what? Is will become 0. For this reason, we are going to add one constant, which is c. It will be there like that to represent the constant. The integral form of s raised to power 7 is s raised to power 7 plus 1, s raised to power 8 divided by 8, plus the integral form of this one constant will be what? S plus c. Therefore, the answer for the integral of s raised to power 7 plus 1 is s raised to power 8 divided by 8 plus s plus c. This is our final answer. Can you see? It is very, very simple. I told you, integration is very simple. Let us try B. B, the question is integration s root like this. How do we solve this? Remember, before we can solve this, we need to convert this to where it was before. You know, this, before you can have root s, it means s raised to power half like this. When we have s raised to power half, therefore in indices this will be root s. That is why we have it like this. And remember, this will be plus what? Plus c. How do we integrate this? We are going to add 1 to this one. This will be half plus what? 1. The LCM is 2. 1 plus 1 into 2. 2 times 1, 2. That is, we are having integral. This will become s raised to power 3 all over 2 divided by 3 all over 2 plus what? C. We are not going to leave it like this because we are not going to leave it like this. It means x raised to power 3 all over 2 divided by 3 all over 2 plus C. It means x raised to power 3 all over 2. We are going to change this division to multiplication under abundance. This will be changed times 2 all over 3. Therefore, this will become 2s raised to power 3 all over 2. It become 2 all over 3 s raised to power 3 all over 2 plus c. This is the integration of root s is 2 all over 3 s raised to power 3 all over 2. Can you see now? I've told you integration is very, very simple. Let us look at the c. When I finish from A to D, you are going to try this for me. I'm going to try this questions, just 3 questions. I will be there in the comment section to see your answer. C, Abi. Let us try C here. The question is the S all over root 3 root S square. This means 1 all over the S means they're supposed to put it here. They just want to confuse us. It means 1 all over 3 root S square. How do we do this? Before we can do anything on this, we need to reverse this question back to the indices form. This will become 1 all over, this is s raised to power 2 multiplied by 1 all over 3. Therefore, 1 all over s raised to power 2 all over 3. Have you understood now? Therefore, our original question should be written like, and we can eliminate this minus 1 at the top. We are going to have integral s raised to power minus 2 all over 3. Now, if you have something like this, it can be written as, if you want to eliminate it will become 1 all over s raised to power 2 all over 3. Now, can you see I've already keyed the question now. Now, let us integrate. It means integrate integral s minus 2 all over 3 ds plus, we are going to have constant plus c. How do we integrate this now? We want to integrate this. This will become s raised to power minus 2 all over 3 plus what? 1 divided by whatever we get here, which is minus 2 all over 3 plus 1. We are going to divide it plus c. How do we work this one out? Minus 2 all over 3 plus 1. The LCM is what? 3. minus 2, this is plus 3. We are having we are having 1 all over 3. This will become integral. This is equal to x raised to power 1 all over 3 all over 1 all over 3. You know we can divide this. This will be x raised to power 1 all over 3 divided by 1 all over 3. Therefore, our final answer will become, this one will shift to, we move to the up. We are going to have 3 raised to power x raised to power 1 all over 3. This is our final answer. The integration of of 1, don't forget to put plus c, plus c. The integral form of the x all over 3 root x square is 3x raised to power 1 all over 3. The last question is the, no, not last question, it remains 2 questions to solve. Let me rub this one. D. The question is 2x raised to power 2 plus 3x plus 8 dx. This one just integrates. This is 2x squared dx plus 3x dx plus this will become 8 dx plus c. The integration of this will be 2x raised to power 3 divided by 3 plus this is 3x x raised to power 2. I think you know how it become 2 now. There is invisible one. We are going to add another one. Here, there is invisible. We have 2 here. We are going to add another one. This is 3x raised to power 3x squared divided by 2 plus this will become 8x. We have only constant here plus c. Therefore, the integration of this is this. The last question, which is E, how do we solve this? E is, we have integral s minus 1 s plus 2 dx. When you see this kind of question, don't panic. You are going to open the bracket and solve it by what? By factorization. By what? By factorization. See now, question E. The question D is this. The integration of this is this, where we are going to solve this one now. For the D question, the integral of 2x squared is 2x raised to power 3 divided by 3 plus the integral of 3x is 3x raised to power. We are going to add, we have invisible one here, guys. We are going to add another one, 3x squared divided by 2. And this one is 8x plus c. And for the E, we are going to open the bracket for each. That is s square plus 2s minus s minus 2. 1 times 2, 2. Therefore, we are having s square 2s minus s. That is s plus what? 2. For this reason, we are going to integrate this. This will be s square ds plus s ds plus 2 ds plus c for the constant. Therefore, this one will be the integral of s square will be s raised to power 3 divided by 3 plus this will be s square divided by 2 plus this constant, it will become 2s plus c. Now I've solved how many questions? 1, 2, 3, 4. I've solved 5 questions now. As you are looking for, you are looking at me, go and solve these 3 questions and post result to me. Let me see. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, like my content. Thank you very much.